Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free money on the Cash App. So you're probably like, what are you talking about? You're psycho. All that stuff's a scam. It's not. So as you can see, I got over $600 in my Cash App, and I'm going to show you how. So basically, I have this app called Strimly, and they pay me to watch YouTube videos and Twitch streams. Now you're probably like, wait a minute. Why are you getting paid? Well, actually, I'm getting coins, so I'm not really getting money. But as you can see, each of these streams gives you a certain amount of coins, and you just have to watch it. You can mute it. You can leave your phone in a different room. They don't know. They don't care. But if you successfully manage to watch some of this stuff, some of these are just like 10-minute YouTube videos, you want to go to withdraw. And look at what one of the options is. You actually can get money from this. You withdraw the coins for like PayPal money or whatever, but Cash App is an option, bro. So when you press on it, it says, please enter your cash tag and then select amount, all the way up to $100. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Strimly app, because guess what? It isn't on the App Store. So what we need to do is go to their website, which is strimly.co. So let me just type that in. So once you're on this site, it's going to say download for Android or iPhone. So I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to press download for iPhone. You basically have to download this profile. You can see what it says. So you just press start download. It's going to download the profile. You want to press allow to download it, and then close. And now we're going to go over to our settings. We're going to go to the top where it says profile downloaded. We're going to press install, and now is the part where you have to enter your personal password. This is the password used to unlock your phone, and it's just to tell the phone that yes, I want to download this. It's like a fingerprint type identification. So next we're going to do install, final one in red. Okay, press that, and look at that, guys. We got Strimly on our phone. So that's how easy it is to get it, guys. So be sure to try this out for yourself. I know some of you guys need Cash App money. This is a pretty cool way to get it, because you're not really going to waste any time watching these videos. It's not too hard. And as I said before, you don't actually have to watch them. You can just like let your phone run, and it will basically credit you. And as you can see, I have over 47,000 coins. So I've been using this quite a while.